Today's class we started lesson 8, which is a poem foreign lands. So first we discussed what do you mean by foreign lands. So foreign lands are faraway lands or lands that are not known or places that are not known to us. Yes, places we have never been, those places are called foreign lands. So here in this lesson, in this poem, a child is sitting on a high branch and he imagines that he sees foreign lands, he sees unknown places or places where he actually wants to go. Okay, so we discussed this jet set activity in the class, and in question number 2 you have to write 3 things that you would do if one day you wake up in a fairy land. Yes, अगर एक दिन ऐसा हो कि आप फेरी लैंड में उठते हैं, you slept at night at your home and in the next morning you wake up in a fairy land, and then what would you do? You will write here in 3 points. Okay, so now let's read the poem. Up into the cherry tree, who should climb but little me? I held the trunk with both my hands and looked abroad in foreign lands. So here, how the child wants to see the foreign lands, how he's planning to see foreign lands or imagine he sees foreign land, is by climbing up on the cherry tree. He climbed up on into the cherry tree. And how is he climbing the cherry tree? He is climbing the cherry tree by holding the trunk. What is trunk? It is the stem part of the tree. This is trunk. Okay, a thick part. This is trunk. Plants have stem but trees have trunk. Okay, so he held the trunk with both the hands. Held is the past form of hold. Hold means पकड़ना. तो उसने वो दोनों हाथों से ट्रंक को पकड़ा and he looked abroad in foreign lands. He started looking to faraway lands. And what he saw? He saw the next door garden lie, adorned with flowers before my eyes, and many pleasant places more that I had never seen before. So what he saw first? He saw a next door garden. Next door means neighborhood, a garden that is in neighborhood. Okay, and that garden was full of beautiful and pretty flowers. Adorn means beautiful and pretty and very attractive flowers. Okay, he saw the he saw the garden that was full of beautiful and attractive flowers in the neighborhood, and so many other pleasant places. Pleasant places can be mountains or rivers, or maybe streams or beautiful animals. So all those places also he saw, where he the places that he had never seen before, जो उसने पहले कभी भी नहीं देखी थी, वो places भी उसने देखी. And next what he saw? He saw the dimpling river pass and be the sky's looking glass. What is meaning of dimpling? Dimpling means a slight depression on the surface, like this is a river. Okay, and if you throw a stone into a river, so it creates a slight impression on the surface, है ना. तो इसमें थोड़ा सा डिम्पल पड़ जाता है. Okay, so that is called dimpling river. So the child saw a dimpling river, and in that dimpling river he could see the impression of blue sky, because that dimpling river is looking like a mirror. It is like a mirror in which he could see the impression of sky, blue sky. Okay, he could see blue sky in that dimpling river. And he also saw the dusty roads. Dusty roads means roads that have lot of dust. They are going up and down. Up and down means like ऊपर नीचे, like this. Okay, they are going up and down. And what people are doing? People are tramping into town. People are moving on the, like not this much up, इतना थोड़ा सा स्लाइड सा इसमें उतार चढ़ाव अप डाउन होता है. सो ओके, so these are dusty roads that are going up and down, and on these roads people are moving heavily and noisily towards the town. They are moving towards the town. So these 3 things here he saw. Next, what he wants to see, but actually what he wants to see, what he is wishing now, If I could go high, if I could find a higher tree, farther and farther I should see, to where the grown up river slips into the sea among the ships. So now what he is wishing for, he wished that he could find a higher tree. उसको और भी एक बड़ा ट्री मिल जाए जिसपे वो और भी ऊंचा चढ़कर देख सके. So what he wants to see, by after climbing on that higher tree, he wants to see where the grown up river slips means smoothly slides, like these are rivers जो होती है, where this slides on into the big ocean. So he wants to see the ocean where these grown up rivers slips into sea. This is a sea and these rivers are going into this sea. And you see, और आपने देखा होगा कि इन सी के आसपास क्या होते हैं, बड़े बड़े शिप्स होते हैं, बिकॉज दिस इज़ लाइक a pathway where ships move from one place to another. Yes, so he wants to see that place, and he also wants to see roads on either hand, both the sides, that leads towards into fairyland, जो कि fairyland तक जाती हैं. And वो fairyland को, how the child is describing about fairyland, he says that where all the children dine at 5, जहाँ पर सारे बच्चे at 5 o'clock they finish their dinner, and after that they play with toys, but those toys come alive, those toys are live. They are not only toys of plastic or maybe some other material, they are alive toys. Yes, so this is what the child imagines after climbing up on a cherry tree. So I hope you understood this poem, and I have sent difficult words and word meanings of this lesson to be done in the notebook and make a beautiful picture related to this topic. Thank you.